If your layers are not showing up in CapCut, don't worry, this is usually a simple timeline issue and not a problem with your project. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix layers not showing up in CapCut step by step so you can get back to editing fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing fixes. Let's jump in. First, make sure the clip you're trying to work with is actually on the timeline and not hidden. Sometimes the layer is there, but it's easy to miss because the track may be too small or tucked away. Take a close look at your timeline and confirm the clip has been added properly. If it isn't there, re-add it before moving on. Next, expand the timeline by dragging its top edge upward. This is one of the most common fixes because CapCut can sometimes compress the timeline view, making layers appear like they've disappeared. When you drag the edge up, you give yourself more space to see everything clearly, including stacked clips and overlays. Once the timeline is expanded, check whether you're viewing the correct video track. CapCut can have multiple tracks, and if you're on the wrong one, it may look like your layers are missing even though they're just sitting on another track. Click through the tracks and make sure you're looking at the right layer area for the clip you want to edit. If a track is collapsed, expand it so all layers are visible. Collapsed tracks can hide additional clips, text, effects, or overlay layers underneath the main view, so opening them up is important. Look for any small expand controls or arrows in the track area and use them to reveal everything inside that section. After that, take another look at your project and see if the layers are now visible. In most cases, one of these quick adjustments will solve the issue right away. If the problem still continues, try zooming in on the timeline a little more and making sure nothing is filtered or minimized in the track view. CapCut editing can sometimes feel confusing when the interface is compressed, but once you know where to look, it becomes much easier to manage your layers. So to recap, make sure the clip is on the timeline and not hidden, expand the timeline upward, confirm you're viewing the correct video track, and expand any collapsed tracks to display all layers. That should fix the problem in most cases. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials and editing solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.